We're at the Mount Holyoke College campus in South Hadley, Massachusetts. The founder of Mount Holyoke is Mary Lyon. She is buried in the middle of the campus. I will now tell you the epitaph. Mary Lyon, the founder of Mount Holyoke Female Seminary, for 12 years as principal, a teacher for 35 years and of more than 3,000 pupils. Born February 28, 1797, died March 5, 1849. The college was started by her in 1838. You can see there's iron wrought gate around it and a beautiful stone inside. We're going to stop at all four sides and then we're going to look at the campus. Servant of God, well done. Rest from thy loved employ. The battle fought, the victory won. Enter thy master's joy. She was a religious person, and this was a religious seminary. The classes were high school level, not college level. It wasn't until about 1890 that it turned into college with college level courses. Always has been for women only.
Yeah.
You can see behind it the Mary Lyon building and the chapel. There is nothing in the universe that I fear but that I shall not know all my duty or shall fail to do it. Give her of the fruit of her hands, and let her own works praise her in the gates. Now we're going to go around, we're going to point outwards from this point, and you're going to get to see the beautiful campus and some parts of South Hadley in the distance.